Now move to exercise 1.6 of your NCERT book class 9. The question 1 is about to find the value of the following. So bit 1 रे आमे देखिबा क्वेश्चन होची 64 to the power 1/2 अर्थात बेस 64 पावर 1/2 अर्थात बेस को आमे जदि गोटे संख्यार स्क्वायर करि परिबा ताहले से स्क्वायर अर्थात 2 ए 1/2 रो डिनोमिनेटर सहित कैंसिल हो जिवो. सो नो डाउट आमे जानि जे 64 टा 8 रो स्क्वायर. सो that is 8. Now move to your double I. The question double I is to find the value of 32 to the power 1/5. एठार एक्सपोनेंट गोटे रेशनल नंबर जहार डिनोमिनेटर 5 रही अर्थात आम जी 32 को किसी नंबर रो फिफ्थ पावर करदे ताले से 5 एवं ए 5 कैंसिल हो. तो आम जानी 32 टा 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 into 1/5 that is 2 to the power 5 into 1/5. So your answer is 2. Now ट्रिपल आई 125 रो पावर 1/3 अर्थात 3 को कैंसिल करबा हेले हमको 125 को कहार क्यूब करबा पड़िबो. 125 टा होची 5 रो क्यूब 5 into 5 into 5 125 तार पावर 1/3. सो इट बिकम्स 5 होल टू द पावर 3 into 1/3. सो 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. Move to question number 2. Question number 2 रे मध्य आमे वैल्यू पाइबार अछि. 2 रो i कहूची 9 to the power 3/2. एठार आमे 9 को 3 रो स्क्वायर रूप रे लिखि देले जाफले 2 a2 आउ 3/2 रो डिनोमिनेटर 2 कैंसिल हो परिबो. सो 3 to the power 2 into 3/2. सो 3 to the power 3 it will be 27. Now move to double I 32 to the power 2/5. 32 to the power 2/5. 5 को कैंसिल करबा हेले हमको 32 को 2 to the power 5 लिखिया पड़िबो. 2 to the power 5 होल टू द पावर 2/5 दैट मीन्स 2 to the power 5 into 2/5. सो 2 रो स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4. Move to triple I 16 to the power 3/4. Here 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 whole power 3/4. So we can write 2 to the power 4 into 3/4. Here the answer is 8. 2 to the 3 that is 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. Move to IV 125 रो पावर -1/3. आम 125 को 5 to the 3 लिखि परिबा जहा फल रे ए 3 कैंसिल हो परिबो. -1/3 that becomes 5 to the power 3 into -1/3. Now it becomes 5 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 5 to the power 1. This is 1 by 5 because a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power plus m. I have used a formula here. Number 3, b type, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. This is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now take the LCM. This is 15. Divide 15 with 3. 5 2 is 10 plus 3 1 is 3. So this becomes 2 to the power 13 by 15. Move to double I. Double I states that we have to find the value of 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. Then it becomes 1 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7, as a by b whole to the power m becomes a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Now 1 to the power 7 becomes 1 and 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7 means 3 to the power 3 into 7, that is 1 by 3 whole to the power 21. You can also write it as 3 to the power minus 21 as 1 by a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m. Then move to triple I, which is given as 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. You can see the base of the two exponential form are equal, so you have to subtract the two exponents. So this becomes 11 to the power 1 by 4. IV 7 to the power 1 by 2 multiplied with 8 to the power 1 by 2. In this case, you can see that the exponent of the both exponential form are equal, but the bases are different. Therefore, you just multiply 7 with 8 and keep the exponent 1 by 2 as a to the power m into b to the power m equals to a into b whole to the power m. Now it becomes 56 to the power 1 by 2. Okay.